everyone and welcome to this video. In this video I want to show you how you make a list to your website. So let's begin. But first you need to make a file with the name you want, but you need to say .html after the file name like this. And so you need to make all this I have made in the file. And so let's begin to make the list. Wait a sec, there's only 2% of you that see my videos that have subscribed, so remember to go down and push on the red button to subscribe so I can get 100 subscribers in this month. And so remember to go down and make a comment down in the comment section to get a chance to get a shout out in my next video. And so remember to tell me down in the comment section if you have an idea to what I can make in my next video, and if there is a game you want me to play in a video. And so let's go back to the video. Okay, so you need to go in the body tag here, and so make a table tag like this, but you need to make a end tag for the table tag like this. And so go in the table tag, and so and the table tag is like this. And so go in the table tag and say and make this tag, and so make an end tag for the tag like this. And so go in the tag on the unordered list tag here, and so make a list item, and the list item tag is like this, and there is a end tag for the list item tag like this. And so you can make a text here, and I make the text to hello, and so I copy that, and so I set it down here, and so say everyone. You can make the text to what you want. I just make it to hello everyone, and you can make the text in one list item tag, but I make it in 2 list item tag so you can see it how it looks when you make 2 list item tags. And so go in the table tag, but don't go in the unordered list tag. And so make a tag like this, like this. And so make a end tag for it like this. And so go in the tag and make a list item tag, because there comes 2 lists, but the list don't look like the other list. And so make an end tag for the list item, and so I make the same text hello, and so I copy that, I copy this and set it down here and make the text to everyone. And so push Ctrl S, and so go to your files and push 2 times on this HTML file with the list in. And so let's go over to Google or what you come to, because I don't know what you use. So push 2 times on the file, and so you come to Google or what you use. And so let's see how it looks. But before we do that, we need to make this tag to this, because I don't have made the tag how the tag is, but now it's fine. And so let's go to the website, and so you can see it looks like this. So there is a list with dots, and there is a list with 1, 2. So where there is 1 there with the text hello, and 2 with the text everyone. And so up here there is a dot with the text hello, and the dot with the text everyone. So that's good. So I think that's fine for this video. So remember to go down and subscribe on the red button, so I can get 100 subscribers in this month. And so remember to make a comment down in the comment section to get a chance to get a shout out in my next video. And so remember to tell me down in the comment section if you have an idea to what I can make in my next video. And so I hope this video was helpful, and so bye bye.